Starting around 17 September 2023, Chilliz for the most part is exchanging at $0.058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in certainly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ essentially has a truly complete market cap of $430,064,310, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,908,418. Or so they in every practical sense thought. This for the most part makes Chilliz, CHZ, kind of positioning at 71 in the digital money market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023. What will Chilliz for the most part be truly worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Is Chilliz a for the most part wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Which is genuinely critical. Will CHZ value sort of outperform its unequaled by and large high in every practical sense, significant way? These especially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost really is supposed to generally cross a sort of normal value level of $0.091, the normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to explicitly be $0.088, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, CHZ can especially arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.097, which is genuinely huge. Chilliz CHZ value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, showing that besides CHZ can basically arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.097, which truly is genuinely huge. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.080. Chilliz CHZ value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086. Further appearance. How CHZ in every practical sense has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $430,064,310, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,908,418 in a sort of large manner, while the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0.083. Amazingly, CHZ value figure October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chilliz really is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.082, which truly is genuinely huge. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.089, with the especially normal cost around $0.085, exhibiting that besides CHZ can generally arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.097. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Chilliz CHZ value conjecture November 2023. The Chilliz CHZ cost for November 2023 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.085, while the genuinely greatest estimated cost in every practical sense is around $0.093, showing how starting around 17 September 2023 Chilliz generally is exchanging at $0.058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03%. In most recent 1 hour. Incredibly, the truly normal cost for CHZ generally is explicitly anticipated to really reach $0.088 in November 2023, exhibiting how the genuinely normal cost for CHZ most certainly is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense reach $0.088 in November 2023, or so they in every way that really matters thought. CHZ value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz fundamentally is determined to in every practical sense be at around a truly least worth of $0.088. Further appearance. How while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.083 in an especially significant manner, The Chilliz value worth can explicitly arrive at an extremely limit of $0.097, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in a huge way. Chilliz genuinely passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 1.24% in its truly current worth. So starting around 17 September 2023, Chilliz explicitly is exchanging at $0.058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. Assuming we in every practical sense, think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the CHC with yesterday's. You can explicitly see that the market cap especially is additionally down. From very most recent 7 days, the CHC essentially was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.79% in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz really has shown areas of strength for commonly potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and contribute, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC certainly diminished by 58.439%, killing an astounding exceptionally normal amount of $0.082 from its extremely current worth in a fundamentally enormous manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an especially decent in a real sense purchase an open door for truly fast venture. Or so they really thought. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 57.84%, and the cost basically circled from an in every practical sense least lovely normal cost of 13 cents to kind of most extreme normal cost of 14 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz fundamentally is somewhere near 44.40%. With the really most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 11 cents, and the base essentially normal cost of explicitly was around 11 cents in lovely beyond 4 months in an essentially huge manner. Chilliz value conjecture 2023 facts. What will sort of be Chilliz certainly worth in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. The CHC cost by and large is determined to generally arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0.097, with truly least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how CHC value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz fundamentally is gauged to in a real sense be at around a truly least worth of $0.088 for the most part further appearance. How while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.083 in an exceptionally significant manner. Does Chilliz in a real sense have a future? As far as value, Chilliz by and large has a remarkable extreme